Did you know the future Genghis Khan once survived by eating field mice and roots? At 9 years old, Temujin watched his father's tribe abandon his family on the harsh steppes to starve. His mother patched their torn clothes with scraps while they hid from rival clans who wanted them dead. For years he lived as a fugitive, sleeping in caves and stealing food to survive. When enemies finally captured him, they locked his neck in wooden stocks, but he escaped by smashing them against a rock. These brutal years taught him that loyalty and skill mattered more than noble blood. By his 20s, he had gathered a small band of followers who believed in his vision. But at the Battle of Onan River, his childhood friend Jamuka commanded a much larger army. Temujin's survival instincts weren't enough. His outnumbered warriors were crushed. Yet this defeat became his greatest lesson about leadership. He learned that true power came from earning respect, not demanding it. That failure shaped the man who would unite the Mongol tribes.